I'm not responsible for any damage or screw-ups that you did. You're doing this repair at your own risk. If you don't feel comfortable doing this repair, don't even think about it in the first place.
Hello people, this is how you repair your broken iPhone 4 or 4S. First things first, clean up. And second, you need tape, scissors, and your hands. And you need either two of these. You need double head 0 screwdriver and pentalobe, which is 5-point screwdriver. And new screen from Evil Bag. First you take off the case. Look under your phone and see if you need Phillips double head 0 screwdriver or pentalobe. If it looks like a star, then you need pentalobe screwdriver, just like mine. So take out 2 screws. And turn off your phone. Why you need a tape and a scissors is that you don't want to lose any of the screws. So you get tape, put it around yourself, keep it on the desk, and you put your screws there. And I feel so smart. And get a needle and get your SIM card out, because if you have your SIM card in, you can't take out your board. Good. Leave that aside so that you don't lose it. Next, slide off the back. If you have your 2 screws on the bottom, take it off first and remove. Set that aside. Next, get your pentalobe screwdriver or Phillips 00, depending on your model. Take out the battery. Get this battery out. And leave that aside. And at the top, you need to take out 5 screws, and 4 of them are in different size. The top one is the longest one. And place that aside. Next, we'll do this for all 5. Let me go to the washroom first. All the cables are taken apart. Now take off all the remaining screws that you see and put them away on the corresponding positions. I wish there's screwless phones.
Right now I'm taking out 2 screws to take out a motor that vibrates when it's in silent mode.
The motor. Oops. Put it aside. Next is mid rhythm cable and safely remove. Get yourself a knife. Mine has a blunt. There's a screw that screws in the screw. So yeah, screw section. That is the screw that screws into the screw. Oh, I don't know what you call it. This white thing is actually water sensor, so that Apple can tell if you dropped it in the water. So remove that, and under that there is a screw, hidden screw. So remove that and unscrew. Oops. So I think you can, yeah, remove motherboard from its place. That is motherboard. Set this aside. Screw these screws. There you go. More screws for me. There's 4 screws on the side and 6 screws on the side. Well, on the corner and edges. Next part is the fun part. Get a spudger and start removing the screen if you can. Oh no. Yes! Harder than it looks.
I tried to separate the glass many times, and I knew something was holding onto it. And it was, again, more screws.
So you don't want to be pulling it out too much at a time. Take your time. And yeah, there you go. That's my white screen. And white button. So I'm a funky guy. I'm gonna be using black screen with the white button. I wanna see how that looks. Carefully shove it in. No, carefully put it in. Okay. Oh no. Yes, I got it on. Now screw everything back on.
Now you just need to watch the video backwards to reassemble your phone. Reassembly was a bit of a challenge because since they weren't seated properly, they had to be disassembled 2 more times. It was just pain in the A to put it back everything together.
I got it on. Yeah. Lost screw. Oh my god. 1, 2. Yeah. Yes. Finished.
If you want to personalize more than just the case, why not try to assemble the whole phone and customize whatever you want? It was a lot of work and time consuming. It was really rewarding that I changed it. Why not you go ahead and you should try too. If you like risk and out of warranty, of course.